What's up, POV? Welcome to Nelson's POV. My name is Nelson. Today I got a really special video. Actually out here in Tracy, California at the auto auction Odessa Golden Gate. And when you deal cars, whether you're flipping cars at a dealer or just flipping to make a little bit of extra money, you always need tools, you always need equipment. Something I always take with me: my backpack, my GoPro, scan tools, 10mm socket. But something that's been really coming in handy is this jump starter right here. This thing is amazing. I got it sent out to me for free to try it out. This is about $250, and I gotta tell you, man, I wish I would have known about this sooner, because I would have definitely bought it myself, because I have like 3 jump starters at my dealer. And man, this thing is impressive. Better than Costco, better than anything. Let's check it out. So I've used it a couple times, so it is already a little dinged up. It's amazing. Right now I have an issue with this Honda Civic that doesn't start, and it has a built-in compressor, has a light just in case. Pretty cool. I've been using it for like a week. It still has 75% battery charge. Tells you the PSI here at the top. Strong sounding motor. It comes with a charger to charge on the cell phone. It comes with a charger to charge. And the first thing I did when I received it was charge it, and actually it was already charged up, so that was super cool. Here is the jump starter. We're going to test it out right now. I've already tested it out a few times. I've been in a couple predicaments selling and flipping cars, and this has got to be one of the best tools that I have right now, because we just picked up the G35, and I think one of the tires is low, so we're going to fill that up right now, which this is beautiful for. And I actually picked up another car, and same thing, tires were low, car's running like crap. Another adapter for bikes. This is awesome, really cool. I love that this has a pouch, so I can just put everything that I need in there. Good zippers, good quality, and it is just impressive. I didn't think it was gonna be this good. Let's go use it. So to use this side, you simply just connect it, positive, negative, and it's attached. Now you want to be careful, but also they're like really well insulated. They won't touch each other. And then if we're going to be using this, oh, actually it's in the bottom. Okay, so you don't need an attachment. That's cool. And it just goes like that, and it works. All right, so what should we do first? Should we jump our car first? Let's jump our car. Actually, we're in California. If I jump the car now, we're gonna waste a lot of gas. Let's check all our tires, make sure that we're good. Gosh, let me just show you guys how it works. Something that would have been a little better is maybe this a little bit longer. And it's pretty cool because it screws on, so you're gonna place it there and screw it on. And this already tells you 34 PSI. We're gonna put it to 36. And what you can do is you can actually set it. So here it says set. So if you want to do it at 36 or 37, I'm gonna leave mine at 36. Set it there. That way all the cars' tires are even. And we just picked this G35 up. And I know absolutely nothing about it. I just drove it for like maybe 2 minutes. So I need to make sure that my tires are good. This one's at 34. So that's it. That's super simple. I'm going to check the rest of my tires, but I'm not going to show you that. Let's jump start a car. This is our 2012 Honda Civic. We brought it out here because it didn't start. We just ran it through all of Turlock to Tracer. That's about like half an hour, maybe a little bit more, and it still did not charge. So the battery is dead. Set this aside. So the positive one is a little longer. It doesn't look like a super big gauge wire, but man, this thing is powerful. Check this out. Tio, can you give it a start?
Yeah.
Start her up.
Ready?
Ready.
Well.
I'm not gonna tell him that I don't have it plugged in. Start it. Hold on. Go ahead. So there you go. This thing is actually really powerful. So I'm about 50% now. It's got all these other charger ports right here, USBs. To turn on the lights, it's got a dual light. You just hold the power button and boom, it's on. Haven't used it at night, haven't been transporting cars at night, but I'm pretty sure this would come in very good handy. I'm gonna fill up the rest of my Infiniti G35, the tires, make sure that we're good to go, and we're gonna be heading out. Again, guys, I appreciate you guys tuning in to POV Nelson. We do everything in POV. You guys have a POV day. Thanks a lot. Bye. Also, link in the description below. Thanks, guys.